Most abortions reported in urban areas are below the age group of 20, pointing to a more liberal attitude towards sex and earlier engagement in sexual activity, reveals a government health survey. The NSSO survey found that among all pregnancies reported, 77% in rural and 74% in urban areas ended with a live birth, while abortion was only 2% in rural and 3% in urban India. But the highest 14% abortions were seen in the youngest age group of those below the age of 20 in urban areas.